Hi guys, last video we discussed about access tier of or you can say storage account and what is the use of that. And I mean the problem with access tier means if you have you can say means lot of files, and to change this manually to change the you can say this manually is a tedious task. Okay, so for that we should have something. With the help of that we can automate this. For that we have this lifecycle of this is available with us. With the help of that we can manage this automatically by this lifecycle management. And here you can define the condition means when this blob is means convert into means change the tire to hot or other. Okay, or what should we need to do with this data? We need to delete, or you can say this change the tier hot to cold. Next, so here condition should be last modified, let's say 30 or 90 days, and here move to a cold tier. And apart from that you have moved to delete the blob, so that you can automate this and save your cost as well. So this is for life cycle. Thank you very much.